Hello everyone and welcome to another EasyWay video where I'm going to teach you how to do a light leak effect on Premiere Pro. So the first thing we have to do is to go to mrhorse.com and go to products and go to Premiere Pro. Okay, so here you have to select the Premiere Composer, so you click this button here and then you have to download for Windows. So once you do that, you will install this program and then you have to open the Mr. Horse program, in this case Mr. Horse Product Manager, that will be installed, and then here you have to select Premiere Pro and you have to install both of them, Premiere Composer and Starter Pack. So now you have to open the Premiere Pro like this, and then you have to go to Window, Extensions, and select Premiere Composer. So when you select Premiere Composer, this window will appear, the Premiere Composer, and you have to make two clips here. For example, I'm going to drag some clips that I have here. Wait a few seconds. Well, I have this video and I have this video too. So the thing I'm going to do is to put the line in the center of the two videos here. Make sure that you are in the middle of them, and you have to go to Premiere Composer, press Starter Pack, go to Transitions, and you have to find Light Leak. So you press it and you press Add to, wait a few seconds to it to import, press OK, doesn't matter, and you have to drag this up here. Okay, so now I'm going to play this video, and as you can see, the light leak effect was already in my video. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Bye bye.